What's up? What's up? This your boy Makin Jes, and I'm back at it again. This is episode 11. Well, people, I have some bad news, and I also have some good news too. First of all, I'd like to thank everybody for surviving another year. It's 2021. This year, I'm naming this year the year of the come up, baby. Whatever you're doing, whatever projects you on, whatever career move, whatever you want to do in life, make this your come up year. Make this one of your best years ever. You know what I'm saying? If things didn't work out right for you in 2020, evaluate, re-educate, and apply yourself with a new blueprint or edit what you have now, and let's make this your best year ever. We can do it. Okay, people? We can do it. So, the reason for this episode 11, is that I have decided that Forex wasn't as simple as I thought it was going to be. My plan works, but I'm not 100% confident with it. So basically, I'm taking a step back from this video channel. I will do periodically updates probably once or twice a month on this channel, like where my stat is, where my education level is, and stuff like that. I just don't have enough material on Forex, because this is really a Forex channel, to keep it going the way I'm going. So I need to step back, and I decided to update you once or twice a month on my progress. I'm still in training days. I got a long ways to go. It's a lot. Forex is a lot. I underestimated it. I when I first started off, it may have been luck, who knows, but whatever. But Forex takes education and it takes time. The educational part, that part I got down, is just the time right now. I don't really have the time to really put into it to get this channel where I wanted to go on a consistent basis of giving you guys new material. I just don't have that amount of time because I'm still learning. I'm still working out my trading plan, and I got to get it consistent. So, like I said, I'm going to still have this channel going. I'm still going to update you on everything that I'm doing in Forex and my other investments. But what I am going to do is I'm starting a new channel, which is going to encompass all my businesses that I got going on, because I have a lot of businesses going on for myself and for my holding company. I still have a full-time job. I do computer work. I work for somebody. I also do side work. I'm also have a liquidation site, open box bargains, that's coming out. And I got my holding company, which helps people with securing business credit. Also, I'm going to have some other business services as well. On top of that, I'm going to start buying used and scrap gold online. So there's a lot I'm doing. I'm still buying used stuff and reselling them on eBay, and also, like I said, on my website for my open box bargain stuff. So I got a lot going on, and Forex is not my only gig or my income, and it's not really generating any money. So I got to kind of put it on the back burner for stuff that's really generating me income now. I'm not going to give up on Forex. I really believe my system works. It's just that I'm the type of person, if I'm not 100% for it, or I'm not 100% behind it, I'm not confident enough to really put my word on it, like this is bond type stuff, I got to step back. And that's basically what I'm doing. I didn't think it would take that much energy, but it is. It's totally different from stocks. You know what I'm saying? Because I do the dividend stock investments. On top of that, I do Bitcoin investment as well and other cryptocurrencies. So all that's going to be part of my new channel, which I'm just going to call the Money Making Jes Show. So look for first episode. The trailer's coming up soon. And also I switched over my podcasting hosting to Red Circle. It's everything on there is free. It's really exciting program. I'm not going to plug it too much because I just started using it, but so far it's great. It's free, has a lot of good tools, a lot of integrations. You can start making money off of it as well. So I'm liking it. So it's Red Circle. I'm moving all my other 2 podcasts over there. Money Making Jes does Forex and the Blueprint of a Side Hustler. And my 3rd podcast I will be doing will be the Money Making Jes Show. So I do appreciate everybody who's following this. Go ahead and subscribe to my new show, which is going to be on YouTube. I'm going to do the videos, all that good stuff. And I just want to come basically what I'm doing daily, you know what I'm saying? Or at least multiple days. It just encompasses all my hustles that I'm doing versus the Forex. Because I kind of noticed my channel wasn't really talking a lot more about Forex. So that's why I kind of just want to make this channel just about Forex and investing type stuff, like in the stock market, stuff like that. I was talking about everything, and that's not what I wanted this channel for. So I'm coming up with a new channel, which is going to encompass, really is going to fuse the Blueprint of a Side Hustler and Money Making Jes does Forex into one, which I'm going to call the Money Making Jes Show. Coming real soon, probably about a week. Working on the artwork, stuff like that. And I'm probably going to just run it off of my my Collins Capital Holdings website. I have a page for my podcast because it encompasses everything. And that website really encompasses all my hustles, all my business that I'm doing under one umbrella. So that's where that podcast, it won't have its own dedicated webpage, but it will have that. Okay. Other than that, and I'm just gonna use a generic Gmail for my for this new podcast. I'm not gonna get a domain for it like that because I don't need it. You know, I got enough domains out there, so I'll start using those other domains. But it's been great. I love Forex. I think it's a challenge. I love it. I love money. I love trading money, buying and selling money. It's nothing like anything else I've done. And I would be doing you a disservice was myself continuing this channel the way it's going. So I kind of want to just mainly focus on stocks, investing, and Forex, mostly Forex and stuff like that. I think the channel started to go sideways. So I had to step back and evaluate. Plus it was the holidays, a lot of stuff going on. And I just didn't feel I was giving the channel the right type of content that it needed. So basically, when I come back, say I probably start February. You guys will hear from me again. It's sometime in February, and I'll have the new layout, new content, stuff like that, and go forward. And also, I'm going to try probably a couple months down the road with this channel is to speak to other Forex traders, new ones, intermediate, advanced, and other people who have Forex channels on that as well. Try to incorporate an interview type. This is a conversation, not really an interview, just like chopping it up like, hey, what you doing, homie? What I just want to do, what you think about this? That type of scenario versus like asking the basic questions. And if you follow somebody or listen to their channel, you should know that stuff about them. Mine is more going to be a casual conversation with people. Like, what you doing? Okay, that sounds good. How long you, that type of, just like if I met you like in my Lyft, I also drive for Lyft as well. Like the kind of conversations I have with people in Lyft is like, we just chop it up about investing and stuff like that. So it's not really going to be like an interview, like find a person's dark secret or it's going to be some basic chopping it up type stuff you find in the barbershops, you know what I'm saying? Or in the salons or whatever you go to get your hair up. So it's like 10 o'clock at night here in AZ, Arizona. Hope everybody had a wonderful, great holiday. It's a new year. Refocus, reevaluate, re-examine whatever your current hustle is or whatever your current situation with your job, your career, whatever you want to do, and elevate that to the next level. So if you down in the mailroom, you want to become the president, start doing things now to elevate you to that point, okay? Nothing is set in stone. It's hundreds of people out there who started at the very bottom, who are at the very top and own these mega corporations. So never let that discourage you. Never let education discourage you. Never let anybody tell you can't do anything. Because if you put this right here, look at me. Come closer. Look at me. If you put this right here and stay focused on the money, on the prize, can't nobody out here stop you. You know what I'm saying? You're going to fall. You're going to come up against obstacles, all type of stuff. But you know what? Don't let them take it. Don't let them take your dream and your passions away from you. Because people will, okay? People will try and people will. So just remember that, people. Stay focused. And remember, it ain't never over. The game is here. And you write the rule books to your game, okay? I appreciate everybody's support, love, and respect. This channel is not over. It's still here. It's just going to a whole different platform, different formats and styles, stuff like that. I will be doing 1 or 2 episodes a month for this channel. And then once I really start doing live trading, then I'll probably once again do a daily type format for this channel. But now, during the learning phase, I just don't have enough content to do this channel the way I originally did it. It's just not working out. I don't like it. Because I feel like I'm a variety show, which this isn't a variety show for this podcast. That's why I'm doing my other podcast. That's more of a variety show of all the things that I'm doing. Okay, people? So I do love and respect everybody. Follow me, call me, email, wherever. I'm always available. And if I don't pick up, leave me a message. I'll get back to you one way or the other. Because you know what? Makin Jes is always there and always on time. All right, babies. Y'all stay real. Y'all stay up. Y'all stay true. And you know what? Make this day better than the last day, so your next day will be great as your future day. All right, people. I'm out of here. Chip. Makin Jes. Makin Jes. Oh, yeah, people. Don't forget, Greenwood District is basically 99.9% done. The only thing I've left to do is start to upload the downloadable content, but everything else is working. So that's on target. Probably in 2 weeks, I'm gonna open up the registration so we can do that. All right. So, and also too, I'm not gonna give away too much free stuff anymore. That's why I'm building the Greenwood District. So if you become a member, majority of stuff is going to be free. Some stuff I can't give away free. It all really depends on the contract I signed with the PRL people. But if not, it will be very low cost. But majority, 90% stuff will be free on there once you become a member. But check it out. It's coming. There's a link up there to give you kind of a brief description of what Greenwood District is. It's my new paid business community private group. You know what I'm saying? So you have to be a member to get into it. It's going to be very, very, very exclusive stuff that I'm going to offer people. It's just a great place to start building a network of business-minded people from all over. All races, colors, whatever are invited. I don't care. Let's chop it up. Let's get on this business tip for real. And let's make money. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what it's about, people. Making money. All right. So just so you guys will see, it's Greenwood District. This isn't really the website, but this is a little bit of information on it. Blasey, 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 blasey. And if you kind of want to know what some people say, like Black Wall Street, that's basically what started on Greenwood. I think it was Streeter Avenue back in Tulsa, Oklahoma. So click on that link there, and you'll get all the information you need on that. It's very interesting. Very not a sad story because how it ended. It was very sad as well, but very enlightening and very motivational, people. I would highly recommend everybody go ahead and get more information on Black Wall Street, okay? And just click on here, apply for membership. Very simple, blah, 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 and submit. Then what I'll do is I'll review it, and if you get picked or selected, I'll send you the link to go with the payment and get that all set up with you as well. Also, to those people who are trying to establish business credit, I am also doing my monthly subscription as an invoice. So if you pay it on time or before or on time, I can help you build your business credit as a trade line. So that's an option for my members. If you either can pay regularly, or if you're trying to build business credit and trade lines, I will also offer an invoice type of billing for you guys as well. So you can use me as a trade line. All right. So that's it. So let me show you what it looks like. Where we at? Greenwood District. Let me see if I can type this in real quick. So this is a login page. And you need, like I say, you need an ID and password to get in past this far. So I'll log you guys in. All right. So this is basically what it looks like. I'm going to have another link here as well for the data. But like I said, it has video chatting, normal chatting. So this is basically what it is. It's going to have, you can have your own groups. Your own groups can have its own storage facility as well. Stuff like that. So all that's coming. So I thank you for your time. Everybody have a blessed and great day. This is your boy Money.